Good morning, children. After the explanation of chapter number 8, verbs, present and past, we are going to do today extra exercise. Fill in the blanks using the correct simple present form from the brackets. Here in the brackets, simple present forms are given. We have to select from those two, any one is correct, and we have to write in the blanks. Number 1. Now we'll do the exercise. Number 1. Shilpa dash a letter. In the bracket it is given WRITE, write. Second one is WRITES, writes. So which is the correct? You will write Shilpa writes a letter. Now why did you selected WRITES, writes in the blank? Because Shilpa is a name of one person only. It is a singular only sentence. So if the sentence starts with he, she, it, or a singular person, that is one person, name of one person, so at that time we have to add s or es. If the sentence starts with he, she, it, or name of one person, it is a singular only, so that time we have to add s or es. Or when the sentence starts with I, you, they, a name of two person. I repeat, when the sentence starts with I, we, you, they, name of two person, more than that, at that time we do not add s or es. We do not add s or es because the sentence has become into plural form. We will do the exercise. You will slowly come to know. So first one is what? Shilpa dash a letter. In the bracket it is given WRITE, write. WRITES, writes. Now in this Shilpa is a singular only. It is a sentence in a singular form. So we will select WRITES, writes. Number 2, Vijay dash very fast. In the bracket it is run, 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 and the second one is RUNS, runs. So which is the correct? The correct one is runs, RUNS, runs. So Vijay runs very fast. Again over here Vijay is a singular sentence. It is a name of one person only. So Vijay runs very fast. Third number, they dash in the garden. PLAY, play. PLAYS, plays. Now we have written they play in the garden. Now they, why we used? Because they is a third person and it is a plural. The sentence is in the plural form. So what verb we will use? PLAY, play. What we will use? PLAY, play. Number 4, he dash a kite. In the bracket FLY, fly. FLIES, flies. So which is the correct answer? Yes, flies is the correct answer. Now why? Because he is what? He is a singular only, third person. So we will use FLIES, flies. He flies a kite. Number 5, my mother dash food for us. COOK, cook. COOKS, cooks. Which is the correct answer? Again, my mother is what? Singular only, third person. It is a singular noun. So we will use COOKS, cooks. COOKS, cooks. So my mother cooks food for us. Once again, repeat the sentences. Fill in the blanks using the correct simple present form from the bracket. Fill in the blanks using the correct simple present form from the bracket. 1. Shilpa writes a letter. Vijay runs very fast. They play in the garden. He flies a kite. My mother cooks food for us. Now we'll go to the next. She draw a picture. Over here blank is there. She dash a picture. In the bracket it is given DRAWS, draws. DRAW, draw. Which is the correct answer? Draws. DRAWS, draws. Why? Because she is a singular, third person. It is a singular. The sentence is singular. So we will use DRAWS, draws. She draws a picture. Number 7. A lion dash in a forest. In the bracket LIVES, leaves. LIVE, leaf. What is the correct over here? LIVES, leaves. Why? Because here a lion is singular. We are talking about a single person. So a lion is the sentence over here, singular it is. Jia and Ria dash milk every day. In the bracket DRINK, drink. DRINKS, drinks. Which is the correct over here? The correct is drink. Why? Because Jia and Ria, what? They are two, more than 2 person, and the sentence is in plural form. So it will be Jia and Ria drink milk. Number 9. We dash to the garden. Go. GOES, goes. Which is the correct over here? Go. Why? Because we is what? Plural form. It is a more than, it is a, the sentence is in plural form. So we will select we go to the garden. Number 10. You dash very loudly. LAUGS, laughs. LAUGH, laugh. Now over here again this sentence is in plural form, right, and it is a pronoun you is there. So what it will be, what we'll select? We'll select LAUGH, laugh. So you laugh very loudly. Once again we'll read all the sentence. She draws a picture, because it is a singular sentence, only one person, name of a one person. A lion lives in a forest. A lion, it is a singular only. A lion. Jia and Ria drink milk every day. Jia and Ria are what? They are in a plural form. So we will say Jia and Ria drink milk every day. We go to the garden. Over here we go to the garden. We is what? It is in a plural form. So we go to the garden. And the last 10th number, you laugh very loudly. It is in plural form. So we will say you laugh very loudly. So dear children, I hope you have understood this exercise. Complete this exercise in your grammar notebook with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.